trying to look for some book. I can't find it.
We got some Irish whiskey, laddie.
Well, we got a great show at St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. We're going to start the show off with Conchetta Rosa Maria Franco Nero, which is Connie Francis. And she did an album in 1962, which was recorded in New York City with Don Costa and Joe Melly, and it was favorites of the Irish. And let's go with Mac Manara's band.